Welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll discuss with you how you can now create from your simple scene. As you remember, you created an amazing render with VizMaker NanoBanana. Now we have such a beautiful render, and now we can create interesting close-ups. We can create interesting additional shots, some animals, some cool additional details, and in a few seconds I'll show us as well how you can create different content for your social media. We'll use this aspect ratio because you can use this exactly for Reels creation in the next steps for video creation. And yeah, so as you see, it's quite interesting, quite cool. We'll use primary NanoBanana. It's one of the best engines at this moment. And yeah, I will be glad to show you how you can simply move your cam, create additional renders, and as you see, in a few seconds you can create a render. And I think in the 10 minutes, I'll show you how you can create additional 10 renders from one single image. As you know, this file is completely free, the same as VizMaker. Feel free to download and test it. On the left side of the project, of course, I'll show you how it was done. And right side of the project was made by our teammate Adriana, so you can download it as well. And on this side of the project, you'll have a ready-made project by our team. And on the left side, we'll create a project from zero. So first of all, we'll add our source file very easily, right mouse of the click, load image. And now I'm simply selecting my already saved interior. As you see, now I have a source file. And what can we do now? So we will use our typical basic ideas. We can create a beautiful close-ups. So first of all, I'm selecting with left mouse of the click. I'm selecting here image editor, engine NanoBanana Pro as the best one for this moment, resolution 2K, aspect ratio original. We can change it a little bit more interesting, maybe 3:4, for example. For example, we can use 9:16 as well. So you can generally use any aspect ratio you need. But for example, we can use this time a typical square as example. And let's select how easy it is now. So you can simply click close up here and you can hit make. Now you can select again our source. You can select again this icon of the close up, and let's check the prompt. So create a beautiful close up showing one of the detail of this image. Use a deep field blur, add bokeh, use a detail focus, add some details, small objects. Okay, we can use now here, it's a general prompt. So generally we can use some additional information like one of the detail, we can replace this information, like showing a chair. Here's only one chair, yeah. So this will create you a close-up of a chair. Now you can create a close-up of, I don't know, of a table, coffee table. And let's change here aspect ratio to 4:5, for example, to see how can it be interesting or not. And let's wait a second to see the result. So this is the basic NanoBanana Pro idea how close-up can look like. And let's wait a second to see the next results. As you see here, we also can create more and more details, as well as different cams, different views. We can also try to change the camera view. So I'm simply selecting this image with left mouse of the click. Moving down here, selecting my top view, for example, to see how this image can look from the top, and simply click make. It's not always working, but let's check. Sometimes it's just moving camera slightly and not changing too much. As you see here, we have a beautiful chair close up in a few seconds. As now in the seconds, you received a beautiful close up, full of the details, full of the life, no visible glitches, everything looks perfectly, remembers the context behind, and gives you extra renders to your render. Now you can simply, for example, add some people to this scene. I can just select this new node. Here I'm selecting add people, and I think AI will put someone sitting on this beautiful chair. So yeah, as you remember, left mouse of the click on NanoBanana on this node, clicking icon add people. It's quite simple prompt, add people to the image. You can also upbuild this prompt, add additional information to AI, but it's okay for me, so I'm clicking make, and let's wait a second to receive some results. As well, here we can create some additional close-ups with some animals. The same, I can create and put some extra idea for this interior. I can create animal close-up. The same, a cute animal, dog. Maybe I want a cat, I'm more catty. Cat, and show a close-up shot, use deep field motion, okay, or blur, simply hitting make, and let's wait a second. So here I'll have people, and here I'll have some cat. As you see, perfectly matched. exactly the same, everything's on the correct place. Remember about aspect ratio. I have switched it a little bit, but you can use original or you can change it as you need. As you see now, we received amazing new renders in a few seconds. And that's quite interesting and quite simple. You can upbuild your close-ups and this additional information in really different details, and the more you try, the more different results you will receive. So you can change aspect ratio 9:16, for example, hit close-up on our source image, click make. Remember, you should be in the NanoBanana Pro 2K and select some aspect ratio in image editor and simply wait for results. As you see, the top frame is also very good, really very good. You can use this also as a new reference image. We can also create some different camera moves like this one. For example, I'm selecting our source image and now I want to move my camera view. So I'm simply pasting information, move the camera all the way to the right, show objects from the right side perspective. Yeah, and AI will try to show you additional frame, additional shot from this render. And we will try to understand, will it be interesting or not? As you see, we also try to create more close-ups. For example, I can use this top frame to create some close-ups, and it will use this perspective view. So also I'm selecting with left mouse of the click this image. Here I'm selecting information about the close-up, simply hitting close-up and hitting make. And that's all. That's quite simple. That's quite interesting and quite useful. So in a few seconds you received new frames, new cameras, and you now have a few beautiful close-ups. As you see, you have some close-up with a woman, we have some beautiful cat on your close-up, you have some beautiful detailed close-up here. So no worries, it's very simple, it's very useful. So simply remember to download this file, it's attached to this video in the description, and feel free to test it. Try to take our prompts, try to use them on your own renders, and remember that VizMaker is completely free. You can download and use it. You pay only for tokens for credit usage, and see you in the next tutorial, and goodbye.